Today I'll be showing you how to make this origami basket that looks like this. Okay, so you need a square piece of paper and a little bit of tape or glue. And first fold it in half. Unfold it and fold in half the other way. Now turn it like this and fold this down like an airplane fold. Now turn it around and fold the other part down like that. Now you want to squash fold it, so you open this part up and push this part in. And it'll just come down like this. Now turn it around so that the open flaps are pointing away from you. And then you want to fold one flap down like this. So it folds in half. Unfold it and fold this corner down to the middle. Like that. And now just roll it over like that. Flip it over and do the same thing. Now you want to fold the left side to the right and turn it around and fold this left side to the right also. So it's like a new piece of paper. And now you want to fold this down like an airplane fold. And same with this side. Unfold it and then airplane fold this edge to this crease. And repeat on this side also. Now roll it back and then just flatten it out. Now turn it over and repeat the same thing you just did. Now unfold it and fold this up like that. And then roll it over. And then now you want to bring it up so the spike is pointing up. And you want to just like bring these two apart. And then like you did with the vase, you just want to flatten all of this out. And then crease over here. Just like pinch. And same on this side. And then this side. And finally this one. And then if these got unfolded, just fold it back like this. Now you want to just put this on top of that. And then you could put a little bit of glue over here, or you could just like tape it. I have some double-sided tape, so I'll just be using that. So then you just put a little bit here, and then just stick it on. And then you could put stuff inside. I don't know. It's just like for fun. There's not really much use to it. And yeah, that's how you make your origami basket. Don't forget to like and subscribe.